Hello, everybody. Did you know that toothbrushing alone is not sufficient to prevent dental diseases like dental decay and gum diseases? Along with toothbrushing, we also require dental flossing, interdental brushes, and oral irrigating devices to prevent dental decay and gum diseases. This is the interdental brush. You can see the bristles. These bristles has to be placed in the space between the gums and the teeth, not between the teeth, but between the gums and the teeth, wherein a triangular space is there. So move it back and forth so that the food debris which is present there will get dislodged. This food debris has to be ultimately removed by toothbrushing. So this is a precursor to toothbrushing and flossing. So you should understand that the brushing alone will not help to be to help you be devoid of any dental decay and gum diseases. You also should use flossing, water irrigating devices, and interdental brushes to eliminate dental diseases like dental decay and gum diseases. Hope you have got the instructions clear. Thank you.